konferenciju nakon susreta, znam da gostujući trener gospodin Tonis, koji će nam prokomentirati ovih 90 minuta koji smo gledali.
Yeah, it's working. Yes. First of all, congratulations to Hajduk. I think they were surprisingly very quick recovered after the game against PAOK. Of course, that has to do with a lot of alternatives they have. Despite of that, we played in a diamond. That means the two center defenders were stopped. The first half had surprised them, so they had no build-up. Because we played with two strikers. Now the free man was the right back, I believe the name is Sigur was the free man. Now Roger had to take position in between the right midfield player, I believe that was Kalik. Now, and then you need to luck, the moment of Dylan Ortiz, the header, the escape of Grefnak, where we can score. They also have, of course, opportunities because they're a fantastic technical football team. What we stopped them from being dangerous, so till half time the game was okay in my match plan, but unfortunately Grefnak had to leave, the most dynamic player, and we changed from a diamond in a 4-3-3. That means with wingers, and then Diallo or the other center defender could step in. Faris Ojiju, of course, with his creativity. I know him from 2008 from Hamburg. Yeah, he changed the game with his rhythm, and unfortunately too long of the striker, the captain, Livaya, fantastic player, was the breaking point. If Sonaci could score the 2-1, we have a team that can come back out of nothing. But after the 3-0, he had one more option to play the 3-2-5 with Marco Borg in front. I didn't want to do that. Big compliment to the atmosphere in your stadium. It's a big reclaim for the football. Technical team, and I wish you good luck on the return in PAOK.
Hvala lijepa. Kolega, imate neka pitanja?
Kad je Hajduk povrat 3 nova igrača bilo po vrijeme Očića, Ofujera i Zahitija, vi se ne zna šta se dogodilo?
Yeah, the players changed the rhythm. They played against PAOK. They changed the quality of the game. They have enough class. And at that moment, we also changed into wingers, which means one of the center defenders stepped in, and then they play it out. Unfortunately, we must block better. We have a team that didn't concede so easily goals. Last game against Rudis, for example, that I blame my team, because when it's 1-0, it's 1-0. But of course, players like Ojiju, yeah, they changed the game.
Može još jedno?
Jedan žal šta niste pre 5 godina preuzeli Hajduka i može li Hajduk biti prvak?
Of course you're sad, but that's not the private reason, the family reason. When I see this today, that's a unique place. I hope one thing, I remember in the past Ajax played against him in the big times. And Hajduk belongs in Champions League. They belongs to be the favorite team on international level with this crowd. And I hope and I think with this philosophy that you have to come back to where you were in the time that Van Gaal played Ajax in 1995, Overmars, Venedig, Kluivert. I remember Hajduk was a big team. I don't know what happened in between, but when I see this, you will come back from the level.
Thank you. Još neko pitanje, ako nema, hvala lijepa.